Hi yogis, welcome to my channel. My name is Kassandra and today we are doing a bedtime yoga sequence. I highly recommend that you do this yoga class in bed, literally right before going to sleep. Important to stay till the very end. So once we get into Shavasana, I'm going to guide you through a very specific breathing exercise that for me has made a huge difference in helping me fall asleep fast. I've had issues falling asleep my entire life, and I feel like I've tried every trick in the book. And these poses that I'm going to take you through, but more specifically the breathing exercise that we're going to do at the end, have really been the things that have helped me the most. So this class is for all levels. You don't need to be like a super flexible or strong yogi. If you've never done yoga before, it's totally fine. Get comfortable in bed. I have 2 blocks here. Don't worry if you don't have any blocks. Just have lots of pillows and cushions and things like that around you so that you can use it if you need it. So we're going to begin by sitting up. Just drop your shoulders down and away from the ears. And this is really about loosening up your body and getting it comfortable so that there are no aches and pains, which will definitely help you fall asleep faster. So starting with some neck rolls, breathing in and out through the nose. Just do little half circles with the head. I generally don't like to lean the head too far back. Just go side to side. And really important for bedtime yoga classes is that we practice belly breathing. So get those inhales all the way down to the low belly and low back. About 2 more rolls. Letting go of the day you've had or anything else that's on your mind. Just let it go. And bringing the head back up to center. We're going to take a diamond pose. So I'm just going to turn around here. Bring the soles of your feet together and your knees apart. But instead of having your feet really close in towards you, give yourself a lot of space. And catching onto the shins, whatever is accessible to you, just a little cat and cow. As you inhale, open through the heart, squeeze your shoulder blades. Exhale, slowly round and contract, drop your head. 3 more like this. Getting rid of any kinks in the spine. Softening the jaw and the facial muscles, maybe doing this with eyes closed. Last one. Lifting back up, move into a forward fold. Making this really passive, so not pushing and pulling, just soften into the shape. And if you're further away from your feet, you can use blocks or your pillows to prop yourself up. So forward folds are the best kind of poses to help you fall asleep and unwind. Relax your shoulders, your upper back, your arms. Keep breathing into your belly. Rolling up, take your time. Bring the knees back up, feet flat on the mat. Bring your hands back behind you and just take a little windshield wiper motion. bringing your right leg out. Bring your left heel towards the inner groin. So left hand will go behind your lower back and just move into a side bend. So what I like to do here is to actually just prop my head up on my hand, and you can do this on the floor. If you're pretty far from the ground, just use a little block and prop yourself up. So the left hand behind the lower back helps us draw that shoulder down and away from the ear. Getting a nice side body stretch. Staying in this side bend, just bring your left hand back out in front of you and turn to face towards your right knee and your right leg and find a fold. Again, having some props is a great idea here. 5 slow, steady breaths in and out through your nose. Push into your palms to slowly lift up. And we'll switch sides. Right foot in, left leg out, starting with a side bend first. So right arm goes behind your lower back and just lean over and let your head rest on your hand or on your fist. Draw that right shoulder down. Bring your right hand back in front of you and turn to face your left knee and fold. This is not about going really far into poses. We're just trying to gently stretch the entire body, getting rid of any tension or any aches and pains. Let your hands push into the floor to lift yourself up. And we're going to lower all the way down to our back. So coming into reclined pigeon pose, cross your right ankle over the top of your left knee. And this might be enough, or you can go a little further by reaching with your hands and pulling the left knee into your chest. Head and shoulders are heavy, using very minimal arm strength. Make this as simple and passive as you can. Continue to send your breath down into the belly. Release the left foot to the mat. Keep your right knee into your chest and extend your left leg straight. And you can sway that right knee a little side to side. And let's release the low back with a twist. Cross your right knee over to the left and reach your right arm out to the side. Roll onto your back. Let's repeat that sequence on the other side. Bend both knees. Cross your left ankle over your right knee. And you can stay here, or you can reach through and pull the right thigh in closer. Set your right foot down. Keep your left knee into your belly and extend your right leg straight. And sway the left thigh a little side to side. Carry it into your twist. Left knee crosses over to the right. Left arm reaches out. And let's unwind. So moving into Shavasana, if you're doing this in bed, at this point I would recommend just crawling under the covers. So we'll do a few rounds of a breathing exercise, which is 4-4-8. So we'll take an inhale for a count of 4, breathing down into the belly. You're going to hold the breath for a count of 4, and then you're going to exhale for a count of 8. So a prolonged exhale. All of this is breathing in and out through the nose. So inhale for 4, hold it for 4, and exhale for 8. And honestly, just a few rounds of this always helps me fall asleep super fast. So let's take a few rounds in Shavasana. And I won't be taking you out of Shavasana because most of you are going to be falling asleep. So I'll just be kind of closing the practice from here. So in Shavasana, take a deep breath in for 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep going on your own. We have a few minutes in Shavasana before the video ends. And let your breath come back to a natural rhythm. Relaxing fully. And this is where I will leave you, yogis. Thank you so much for doing this bedtime yoga class with me. I hope you have a wonderful night's rest, and please do subscribe to my channel when you get a chance. Thank you again. Namaste.